Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to evaluate cube root. So we have to find out cube root of 99 times square root 29 plus 98. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to x first. Let's write x equal to cube root of 99 times square root 29 plus 98. Now we will consider cubing both sides. Now cube root and cube will be cancelled out from RHS. So we will get x cube equal to 99 times square root 29 plus 98. Now we will factor 99 as 33 times 3. Then we have square root 29. Then we have plus 98. Now I can write 33 times. This 3 we will write square root of 9 times square root of 29 plus 98. Now we can use one property from radicals, square root A times square root B. This can be written as square root of AB. So this property we are going to apply here. So we can write x cube will be equal to 33 times square root of 9 times 29 in product form as radicand plus 98. Now 9 times 29 is 261. So I can write x cube will be equal to 33 times square root 261 plus 98. Now we are going to use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So here we need to multiply both sides by 8 first. So let's multiply both sides by 8. So I can write 8x cube in LHS. In RHS, 8 times 33 times square root 261 plus 8 times 98. So 8 we can write this is 2 cube times x cube equal to 8 times 33. This is 264 times square root 261 plus 8 times 98 is 784. Now we will split these two numbers 264 and 784. And in LHS we will apply one property from exponents a power n times b power n. This would be equal to ab whole power n. So LHS I will be writing 2x whole cube. In RHS we will split 264 as 261 plus 3. Then we have square root 261. 784 we will split as 783 plus 1. Now I will expand RHS. So I can write 261 square root 261 plus 3 times square root 261 plus 783 plus 1. Let me write this equation here. 2x whole cube equal to 261 square root 261. Then we will write 1. Then we will write 783. And then we can write the remaining 3 times square root 261. Now 261 is square root 261. This can be written as square root 261 whole cube. Then 1 we can write 1 whole cube. 783 I can write 3 times 261. Then we have 3 times square root 261. Further I can write this is square root 261 whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3 times square root 261 whole square. So square root and square will be over. It is still 261 times 1 plus 3 times square root 261 times 1 square. So this is replicating one algebraic identity. If I will consider square root 261 as A and 1 as B, then this is A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So in this place we can write A plus B whole cube. So LHS is 2x whole cube. RHS is square root 261 plus 1 whole cube. Now we will consider cube root both sides. Let us put cube root, here also cube root. Now for real values of x, we can cancel cube root and cube directly. So I will be writing 2x will be equal to square root 261 plus 1. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Now this 2 and denominator 2 will be over. We will get our required expression x. This is equal to square root 261 plus 1 over 2. Now I can factor 261 as 9 times 29. So here I can write x equal to square root of 9 times 29 plus 1 over 2. Now this 9 will come out as 3 from the square root. So we'll get our answer 3 times square root 29 plus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.